Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and going through the syllabus. Record. So the next transaction is record necessary journal entries in the books of Suman of Bihar assuming CGST 9% and SGST 9%. So within the state it will be CGST and SGST, but outside the state it will be IGST. Bought goods of rupees 3,50,000 from Jharkhand. Right. So Jharkhand is an another state. It is not a part of Bihar. Right. So IGST will be applicable over here. You can see purchase account debit 3,50,000 and 18% you will take, not 9%, 18%. IGST will be 18%. Right? CGST is total GST is 18% divided by CGST and SGST half, so 99%. IGST is always full, so 18%. So input IGST 63,000 to bank 4,13,000. Is it clear? Right. Next, sold goods of rupees 2 lakhs to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh again it's a different state, so IGST will be applicable. Sold goods, so output GST. So what is your sold goods for? So bank account debit, leave the amount, right? Because we don't know what will be the IGST amount. Right? What you know. What would be the journal entry जो हमने पहले सीखी थी? Bank account debit to sales account, right? Don't write the amount. Bank account debit, leave the amount to sales account. What is the amount of sales? 2 lakh. Write down 2 lakh. Now here it is sales, so we will write output IGST. Again I am repeating, when sales is there, so output IGST is written. So to output IGST 2 lakh का 18% is 18 36,000, right? So 2 lakh plus 36,000, so हमारा बैंक कॉलम में कितना बैंक अमाउंट is 2,36,000. So journal entry is like this: bank account debit 2,36,000 to sales account 2 lakhs, that you know. Calculate your IGST. 2 lakhs का 18% is 36,000. So to output IGST 36,000. Third one is sold goods of rupees 4 lakhs locally. Locally means CGST and SGST. So sold goods. तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स, ये हमको पता है. अब क्या ऐड हो जाएगा? टू सीजी आउटपुट सीजीएसटी एंड टू आउटपुट एसजीएसटी. So write down what you know. We know bank account debit. Leave the amount. 2. Sales account. What is the amount of sales you know? 4 lakh. 2. Output CGST. What is output CGST? 8. 9,000. 36,000. 2. Output SGST. 36,000. Can you see over here? Right? Do the total. 4 lakhs plus 36,000 plus 36,000. What is the amount we? What is the what we say? Debtors account. We had left the amount. I had written bank because it's not bank. So I. So they had taken debtors. If you are confused, you can write bank. I will give you marks. So bank account debit 4,72,000 to sales account 4 lakh to output SGST 36,000 to output CGST 36,000. The next transaction is paid insurance premium 30,000. So insurance premium is an expense, nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So insurance premium account debit 30,000 to CGST 9% is 2700 to SGST input SGST is 2700, right? Sorry, input CGST debit 2700, input SGST debit 2700 to bank account do the total 35,400. Next is bought furniture for rupees 50,000 office use hai, so that is for office. So furniture comes in real account, furniture comes in, so furniture account debit, right? Furniture account debit 50,000, input CGST 50,000 का 9% is 4,500, input CGST account debit 4,500, input SGST account debit 4,500 to bank account do the total 50,000 plus 4,500 plus 4,500 59,000. So to bank account 59,000 being furniture bought. Here your transactions are completed. Now do the total of output C. What is your output CGST? Output CGST is okay, students. So now come to the calculation sheet. Particulars, prepare column so it will be easy for you to understand. Particulars, CGST column, SGST column, IGST column. Output liability. Output liability means output CGST, SGST and IGST. What were there? Go to your journal entry. First C input है छोड़ दो उसको. Output IGST 36,000. So in IGST output liability side write 36,000. Output CGST okay output CGST, IGST is 36,000. You can check in the column 36,000. Output CGST is 36,000. Output SGST is 36,000. Likha. Then minus input. So go to input IGST, right? Input what is the CGST is 2700. You can see it is deducted. Okay, students. So here you can see output liability is 36,000, 36,000. This is known to you. 36,000, 36,000, 36,000. Now you can see over here 2,700 plus 4,500 is your CGST and SGST. So that is 7,200 input है minus करना है, right? So 7,200 आया, यहाँ तक समझ में आया. right? Then what is this IGST? 63,000 was in the beginning, minus 36,000, that gives you loss is there, so 27,000. So your CGST 36,000 minus 7,200 minus 27,000. How did it this 27,000 came? 36,000 minus 63,000. Is it clear? So this is your 27,000. I don't know what is the problem. I'm reading the right? So here you got 27,000. So that is loss. That is also deducted. So 36,000 minus 7,200 minus IGST 27,000. Amount payable to CGST total is 1,800. In the same way, SGST is 36,000. Do the total of inputs as SGST is 2,700 plus 4,500. That is 7,200. So your total is 28,800. So IGST 36,000 minus 36,000, that gives you nil. Any IGST credit will first be applied to set off IGST and then CGST balance, if any, will be applied to set off SGST.